Hello! Today we are going to cook chicken afritada. In most Filipino dishes, that's what we start with. Garlic, onions, and then whatever else. Chop, chop, chop. This is how our master chef Lolo works. Very fast and efficient. This is a medium-sized onion. Slice or chop? Oh, okay. Yeah, he decided he wanted to chop the onions, so yeah, it's either slice or chop, either one works. There you go. So we have our onions and garlic. Now he's going to prepare the potatoes. This is one medium-sized russet potato. You could use any kind of potato if you prefer, but this one is russet. Peel it. And then he's gonna put it in a bowl of water so it will not turn red. And next, we have the red bell pepper. Alright, Master Chef. First, we need to turn on the heat to high. Put a tablespoon of cooking oil, vegetable cooking oil. Alright, the garlic is frying, so we need to crush it a little bit. Turn the heat to low so the garlic doesn't burn. And then we can put the onions. Put the lid, keep the heat on low, and let it simmer. And it will start to caramelize in a few seconds. Okay, checking again on the onions. It looks like it's caramelized well. It's good. We will add the patis, the fish sauce. Turn the heat to high again. And then next we will add the chicken. Then we will put bay leaves. Put it there. And then put the lid. Turn the heat into low, medium. And let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, let's check on the chicken. It looks like it's cooking good. It's simmering well. Now we can add the can of tomato sauce and let it simmer. You can put pepper. Cover it and let it simmer until it's fully cooked. And I turned the heat into medium. I think it's about 20 minutes, 25. So we are going to add the potatoes. Keep the heat into medium low. All right, time to add the bell pepper. As an option, you can add green peas. That will add a little flavor to it. And it's done. There's your afritada, chicken afritada. For today, we have chicken afritada with steamed white rice. Kain na!